The birth of the vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaners began their journey in the late 19th century. Early designs were large, cumbersome, and often powered by hand or foot pedals. The first motorized vacuum was invented by Hubert Cecil Booth in 1901. These early machines were mainly used in commercial spaces, as they were too bulky and expensive for most homes.
Vacuuming enters the home.
By the 1920s and 1930s, vacuum cleaners became more compact and affordable. Companies like Hoover and Electrolux popularized upright and canister designs. Advertising campaigns showcased vacuums as indispensable household tools, bringing automated cleaning to more families and changing the way home maintenance was perceived.
Technological advancements and modernization.
In the mid-20th century, vacuum cleaners evolved with new features such as disposable bags, improved filters, and lighter materials. Innovations like cyclonic separation, introduced by companies such as Dyson in the 1980s, further improved suction and performance, making vacuums more efficient and user-friendly.
The rise of cordless and convenient cleaning.
A late 20th century saw a shift toward convenience. Cordless and handheld vacuums became popular, offering greater flexibility and ease of use. Improved battery technology allowed for powerful cleaning without being tied to an outlet. These changes made quick cleanups more accessible for busy households.
Robot vacuums and the era of smart cleaning.
In the early 2000s, robot vacuums like the Roomba revolutionized home cleaning by automating the process completely. These smart devices use sensors and programmable settings to navigate rooms, detect dirt, and even return to charging stations on their own. Today, continued innovations enable integration with smart home systems for truly automated cleaning.
From manual labor to automated revolution.
The history of vacuum cleaners reflects society's pursuit of convenience and efficiency. What started as a bulky manual machine has become an intelligent household assistant. The ongoing evolution of vacuum cleaners continues to shape the way we keep our homes clean and manage daily chores.